September 11, 2001, when the South Tower of the World Trade Center was struck, Wells was there in his office on the 104th floor. Amid the smoke, confusion, and destruction, he made a choice. Instead of rushing to save himself, he tied a red bandana around his face to protect against the smoke, and he went to help others.
Survivors remember a man in a red bandana taking charge, giving clear instructions. If you can walk, walk. If you can help others, do so. He carried strangers down flight after flight of stairs to safety. Then, instead of saving himself, he went back up. And he went up again. Again and again, Wells chose courage over fear. He guided people who would later say that without him, they would never have made it out alive. In those final moments, Wells lived out what he had always believed, that our lives find their greatest meaning when we serve others.
As we remember 9/11, we also remember the courage of the people who helped, the kindness of their neighbors who cared for one another, and the strength we can all find in times of a challenge. Like the survivor tree, we can grow back stronger when we face difficulties. Just as the tree provides shade and beauty to others, we can share kindness, courage, and hope with everyone around us.